In this video, what we are going to see is the Indian economy before and after independence, revision points and question answer. The terminology, words involved in this lesson. Jamindari, the owner of the land who pays the, what is the meaning of Jamindari? Owner of the land who pays land revenue to the government is called Jamindari. Mahalwari, the Mahalwari is the collective body, usually the villages which serves as a unit of management is called a Mahalwari. Riyatwari, the ownership rights of the use and control of the land were held by the tiller himself is called Riyatwari. Ownership rights and use and control of the land were held by the tiller himself is called Riyatwari. Green Revolution, the renovation of the agriculture practices through modern technology is called Green Revolution. Public sector banks, the government holds the major portion of the shares in a bank is called public sector banks. Government holds the major proportion of the shares. Private sector banks, where the most of the equity is owned by the private bodies, corporation, institution, and individual rather than the government. Most of them are private. Most of them are private bodies are called private sector banks. The next one is nationalization. What is the meaning of nationalization? The process of transforming the private assets ownership into government ownership is called nationalization. Human Development Index. It is a composite statistics, life expectancy, education, per capita income indicators. So, what is Human Development Index? It is a statistics of life expectancy, education, per capita income indicators are called Human Development Index. Physical Quality of Life Index. Physical Quality of Life Index is a measure to calculate the quality of life. That is the well-being of a country is called Physical Quality of Life Index. Is quality of life. Human Development Index is the statistics of life expectancy, education, per capita income are the indicators of the Human Development Index. The next one is the arrival of Vasco da Gama in Calicut in India in 1498. The arrival of Vasco da Gama in Calicut in India is in the year of 1498. In 1614, Sir Thomas Roe was the successful in getting the permission from Jahangir. In 1614, Sir Thomas Roe was successful in getting permission from Jahangir. The power for governance of India was transferred from East India Company to the British Crown in the year of 1858. The power of governance of the India was transferred from East India Company to the British Crown in 1858. Riyatwari system was initially introduced in Tamil Nadu. Riyatwari system initially introduced in Tamil Nadu. The First World War started in the year of 1914. When did Government India declared first industrial policy? 1948. The objective of the industrial policy in 1956 was develop heavy industries. The objective of industrial policy in the year 1956 is to develop heavy industries. The next one is the industry which was de-reserved in 1993 is mining of copper and zinc. The industry which was de-reserved in the year 1993 is mining of copper and zinc. The father of Green Revolution in India was M.S. Swaminathan is called the father of Green Revolution in India. How many commercial banks were nationalized in the year 1969? 14 commercial banks were nationalized in the year 1969. The main objective of nationalization of bank was the social welfare of the society. The main objective was nationalization of bank was social welfare. The Planning Commission was set up in the year 1950. The Planning Commission set up in the year 1950. And next question are, in the first 5-year plan, the top priority was given to DAS sector, agriculture sector. 10th 5-year plan period was 2002 to 2007. According to HDR, in 2016, India ranked dash out of 188 countries, in the place of 131. Annual plans formed in the year of 1990 to 92. 90 to 92 annual plan formed. The oldest large scale industry in India is cotton. Cotton is the oldest large scale industry in India. Human Development Index HDI was developed by Amartya Sen. Amartya Sen developed the Human Development Index HDI. The main theme of 12th 5-year plan is faster, more inclusive and sustainable growth is the main theme of 12th 5-year plan. The PQLI was developed by Moody's. The PQLI was developed by Moody's. These are all the statistical analysis measurement. So subscribe for more videos. Thank you.